Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey. If you've been rocking with me, what's up? Yeah, so let's get into this. So today we are going to be remaking a shirt that I saw in a particular store when I was out of town, and I thought to myself, why buy it when you can make it yourself? So that's exactly what we're going to do today. So I do have on this white tee. I got it from the Dollar Tree, and I think I'm going to crop it. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I'm going to crop it. But anyways, y'all, the Dollar Tree does sell white tees. It's like a hit and miss sometimes, but I know during the summer times they be having all colors. But I mainly go ahead and rack up whenever I see them. But yeah, so I got this shirt from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to remake it into the shirt that I saw. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, so first things first, I'm going to take this pen. You can take whatever it is that you want, but you don't want to mark it too darkly. You want it to be as light as possible because we're going to have to cover that after a while. So we're just going to mark and then mark. Basically, this is going to be where our dollar signs are going to be. And I'm going to upload a picture so that y'all can see what I'm talking about. But I just want to make sure I have like a little mark in the area on where exactly I want my little signs to be. So let's get into the next part. All right, y'all, so right there is where you can see the mark and where I'm going to be laying down my dollar signs. So let's get into that. All right, y'all, so you want to get something to go in between your shirts. I got this from Myers. I think it was like $1 or something, so you might as well say $2 with tax. But you want to go ahead and slide this up through there so you can separate the front from the back. And then I'm going to be taking the rhinestone that I got from Amazon that I used in my cowgirl video. I'll go ahead and link that somewhere in here. So if you haven't watched it, you can go and watch that. And for those who have, you can go ahead and watch it again. But yeah, we're going to be using this. So you will need some type of scissors, something to cut this. And then our good old trusty Gorilla Fabric Glue. So let's get into it. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and just draw it first. And then take this, go over it, put this on around it. And then after that, we're going to let it dry, and then it should be about done. So let's go ahead and get into that.
That's a pretty big jump on my looking
Alright, next up, y'all, I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the under boob. And we're gonna blend that out too. basically, I get what I'm trying to do with this is consider maybe like the part or whatever, and down here there's like the little wood part. So we are going to outline this with this. Yeah, see where I'm going with this? I'm going to outline that. So everything that I'm have drawn, we are going to outline it with the bling, glue it on top of there, and then we're going to let that dry. So let's speed this up and get into
That's a pretty big thing. On my looking side.